Hello everyone, I'm Nodendo. I'm going to demonstrate the various games I've created using the Unity 3D game engine. The first game in the series of 3 that I've created this past week, one is called Pill Ow. It's a first-person-like shooter, however there's no enemies. It is simply to demonstrate the use of add force and add torque physics functionality. As you see, as I'm using the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard, in real time I'm using the add torque functionality. As I'm moving forward and backward in 3D space, I'm using the add force functionality. The character that I've created maneuvering around in 3D space consists of a cylindrical primitive, a spotlight, and a camera. I'll also demonstrate the use of instantiated 3D objects. As I use the left control key on my keyboard, I make a new instance dynamically in real time, duplicates of a pellet-like object. The second game that I created is called Clay Discs. It is another first-person-like shooter, however, unlike the last one, this one has opponents which are spheres that are instantiated and fall down from the sky on a random XZ coordinate location. These represent as clay discs. As you notice that I shot the clay disc, the score at the top right added a point. At the bottom right corner of the game is a UI element that I created with two 2D textures. As I roll over the exit button at the bottom right, it illuminates. That's one 2D texture. As I roll off, it doesn't illuminate. That's another 2D texture. When I click the UI element, it exits from the application. The third and last game that I created is called Canyon Man. It is a third-person-like platform game. The idea of this was to demonstrate the 3 different animations being triggered via script. Right now, Canyon Man is in its idle animation. As I hold down the left control key on the keyboard, he powers up and displays the power up animation. Soon after, I'll be prompted to press the up arrow key and let go of the power up button. This will play the run animation. As you notice, at the bottom right is a UI element for this game. Restart button. Another feature in this is the power up, the variable that is simply incremented as I'm holding down the left control key on the keyboard.